Hello, welcome to Study Circle. Today we are going to read class 9th standard geography. In this video, we will read about the important glossary given in the book. So let's start. Adolescence. Adolescence is a period which a person is no longer a child and not yet an adult. Such persons are grouped in the age group of 10 to 19 years. Alluvial plain, a level tract of land made up of alluvium or fine rock material brought down by a river. Base population, the total population of an area at the beginning of a given time period. Biome, plant communities occurring in distinct groups in areas having similar climatic conditions. Birth rate, the number of live births for every 1,000 persons in a year. Depression, in a meteorology, it denotes an area of relatively low atmospheric pressure, which is found mainly in temperate regions. In geology, it refers to a hollow sunken area of Earth's surface. Death rate, the number of deaths per 1,000 persons in a year. Density of population, the average number of persons per unit area such as a square kilometer. Dependency ratio, the ratio of people of dependent age below 15 and above 60 years to people of economically active ages 15 to 59 years. Ecosystem, a system which comprises the physical environment and the organism living therein. Environment, surrounding or the condition under which a person or thing exists and develops his or its character. It covers both physical and cultural elements. Fault, a linear break in rocks of Earth's crust, along which there has been displacement in a horizontal, vertical, or oblique direction. Fauna, the animal life of a given area. Flora, the total vegetation or plant cover of a region. Fold, a bend in the rock strata resulting from compression of an area of the Earth's crust. Geosyncline, a narrow, shallow, elongated basin with a sinking bottom in which a considerable thickness of sediments are deposited by the rivers coming from Angara and Gondwana land. Glacier, a mass of snow and ice that moves slowly under the influence of gravity along the confined course away from its place of accumulation. Growth rate of population. The growth rate of population indicates the rate at which the population is growing. In estimating the growth rate, the increase in population is compared with the base population. It can be measured annually or over a decade. Indian mainland. It refers to the contiguous stretches of landmass from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. The local time along the standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 east, a drainage system in which the water of the rivers do not reach the oceans but fall into an inland sea or lake. Igneous rocks. Rocks formed as a result of solidification of magma either below the earth's surface or above it. Lagoon, a saltwater lake separated from the sea by the sandbars and spits. Lake, a body of water that lies in a hollow in the earth's surface and is entirely surrounded by land. Lithospheric plates, large segment of the Earth's crust composed of continental and oceanic lithospheric parts floating above the asthenosphere. Life expectancy, the average number of years one is expected to live. Local time, the time or place determined by the midday sun is called the local time. Metamorphic rocks, deformation and alteration of pre-existing igneous and sedimentary rocks as a result of changes in physical and chemical conditions due to intense heat or pressure. Migration, movement of people from one place to another. Internal migration means movement of people within a country, and external migration means movement of people between countries. When people come to a country from another country, it is called immigration, and when they leave that country, it is called emigration. Cities with a population of more than 1 million or 10 lakh. A complete reversal of winds over a large area leading to a change of seasons. Mountain, an upward projected feature of the Earth's surface that rises high altitude and usually possesses steep slopes. And reserved area for preserving its natural vegetation, wildlife, and the natural environment. Plain. Plain means an extensive area of flat or gently undulating land. Plateau, an extensive elevated area of relatively flat land. Plate tectonics, the scientific concept that explains the movement of the crustal plates. Relief. Relief is the differences in elevation or the physical outline of the land surface or ocean floor. Subsidence. In meteorology, it is the downward movement of the air. In geology, it refers to the sinking of portion of the Earth's surface. Sedimentary rocks, rocks composed of sediments and generally having a layered structure. Sex ratio, sex ratio is defined as the number of females per 1,000 males. Subcontinent, a big landmass which stands out as a distinct geographical unit from the rest of the continent. Tectonic, it forces originating within the earth and responsible for bringing widespread changes in the landform features. Young mountains, the fold mountains formed during the most recent major phase of folding the Earth's crust. So this is the glossary of this whole book. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.